Hello friends, we are here with another craft video and this time we are making a giraffe. This is how we are trying to make patterns. We are keeping that acrobat shell on top in such a way that it makes a face, giraffe face we are trying to make. We are giving it a color such a way that it makes exactly a giraffe face. After that what we are trying to do, we are trying to make grasses, small plants over there. Next one, in what we are trying to do, we are taking a yellow color sheet and this is how we are trying to make a face from it, and this is how you are trying to fold it in such a way that it makes something like this. Isn't it nice? Like you can play with it. Next one is we are taking a yellow color sheet, we are folding it in such a way that it makes like this, and you're trying to draw something in such a way that it makes something like this. Isn't it nice? Like a ducky face you're trying to make, and you are making it in such a way that you can play it well. Next in the sequence we are taking circles, several circles having different size, and this is how you are trying to decorate it in such a way that it looks like a nice teddy. Isn't it? Like having all the things. Next in the sequence you can make something and play with it. Next in the sequence we have a yellow colored clay and we are trying to fold it in such a way that it makes this pattern, and you are trying to comb it out in such a way that you can keep the shape to it, and this is how you can give a bird shape. This bird is sitting in her nest and she is resting, she is trying to figure out something. Next in the sequence we are having a green colored paper, and this is how you are trying to fold it out. You're folding in such a way that it looks like a nice leaf, and you're trying to make a sticky, that green color sticky you're trying to make. You're trying to rotate another white sheet and you're trying to make something out of it. This is how you are making nice dot patterns over there in such a way that it looks like a caterpillar. Okay, like leaf is there and caterpillar is coming in that leaf and she is moving around it, right? This is how you can play it. Isn't it nice? Next in the sequence we are having a yellow colored paper. You are giving half circle to it, and this is how you are trying to make pattern out of it in such a way that it looks like a nice flower. You are giving this pattern and this is how you are putting it on top, and this is looking nice butterfly. Next in the sequence you are having a balloon. You are putting some marble on it, and this is how you are trying to fold it out and trying to make a pattern like this. Isn't it nice? You can put ears, eyes, nose, and this is how you can make a nice puppy. Next in the sequence we are having a white paper. You are trying to give a green color to it in such a way that it makes something like this. Next you are trying to fold it from backside in such a way that color is visible from outside, and you are trying to press it in some way like you are trying to give patterns, that yellow patterns over there in such a way that it makes nice insect, and this is how you can make your caterpillar, right? Next one, what you are trying to do, you are trying to fold your white sheet in such a way that it makes something like this, and this is how you can fold it out and you can make a nice thing out of it. This is how you can make ears, and this is your face. You're trying to give eyes, nose and mouth to that face. This is how you're trying to make a bunny face.